Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful miniature gramophone which is made using paper and quilling strips. Isn't it looking very nice, shiny and sturdy? The miniature paper gramophone is very easy to make. I will share each and every step in detail, how to make the base, how to create the disc, the record and the horn, everything in detail steps. So you can just put the record like this, and this also gets pins. Isn't it a cute idea? And you can gift it to any music lover, or you can keep it as a showpiece in your home. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 7 by 7 centimeters cardstock or thick cardboard and connecting two square pieces with each other. This is 2 mm cardboard. Burnish it nicely using bone folder. Then I am taking here 6.7 by 6.7 centimeter cardboard piece and connecting it top of the previous shape. Then taking 6.4 by 6.4 centimeter cardboard piece and connecting it on top. Then keep it aside, and I am taking here 3 pieces of sunboard squares which measures 5.5 by 5.5 centimeters. So just connecting all 3 pieces together so that you will have nice height. Then taking 120 GSM cardstock, just cutting it according to the size of our sunboard squares, sticking it exactly in the center, and then I am wrapping it from all 4 sides using this paper. Just connect it nicely using glue. and this is done. Then taking back the cardboard stacks and connecting the bunch of sunboard on top of this. So it should look like this. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of 5 mm and making one tight coil. Here I am creating small 4 pillars which will come on 4 corners of the base. So the tight coil is ready. Now I am just passing one pencil through this, and we need very small cone like this, very little cone. Just fill this with glue so that it will not get closed. Similarly, we need one more piece. Then I am taking here 1/4 strip of off-white color in 1 mm and making one tight coil. Then connecting the cones with this tight coil in the center. And the pillar is ready. Now I am just connecting the pillar like this in the corner. With the similar method, I have already added remaining 3 pillars in 3 corners, and this is ready. Then here I am taking 6.4 by 6.4 centimeter cardboard piece, and I am connecting it on top of the sunboard. After that, here I am taking 2 pieces of 5.5 by 5.5 centimeter cardboard, connecting with each other, and then stick it on top of the base. So our base is completely ready for gramophone. Then here I am taking 12 strips of 2 mm in off-white and making one tight coil. You can take any color of your choice or any colors which are remaining with you, because we are going to color it later, so color doesn't matter here. Whatever strips are remaining with you, you can use this to make the tight coil. And the tight coil is ready, and after completing the tight coil, the diameter should be 3.5 centimeters. So sometimes our strip thickness is less or sometimes it is more. So according to your strip thickness, you can take the number of strips, and the final result should be 3.5 centimeter diameter. Now I am covering this tight coil with the glue completely and allow it to dry. So it's dried, and now it's time to color it. So in the center here I am applying red acrylic color as a circle, and the outer layer I am coloring with black acrylic color. So in this way we have created our record. And the super cute record is ready. Then to create horn, here I have created this big tight coil using 30 strips in 3 mm, and the diameter of final result is 5 centimeters. You can use any colors again. I have chosen the colors near to golden shade, and now I am just opening it using quilling mold and also using my fingers to open the horn shape. This is nicely done. Now filling the inside part using glue and allow it to dry. Now to extend the horn shape, here I am taking 1.3 by 2.5 centimeter paper piece. I have just created one petal on this, so I am cutting the petal shape. Then curving the petal like this and taking back the dome which we have created, and one by one I will attach the petals on outer layer. So here I am creating the floral shape horn for our gramophone, and this is completely ready. I have just filled the center part with glue. Now after drying it, I am coloring using gold acrylic color to give it metallic look. And this is done. Then here I am taking one strip 5 mm tight coil, opening it using pencil. I am just creating the back support to hold our horn with the base. Open the cone shape like this, just tap it from the bottom little bit and bend it. So I have already prepared one and filled it with glue. Then here I have attached two half strip tight coils in 5 mm with each other, created one hole in the center to pass the key, and then I am sticking the cone shape on top of the tight coils like this. Then taking back the base, and on one of the side I am sticking this 1 cm wide cardboard strip so that it will have nice support for our keys. And then on top of this I am sticking this shape which we have created. Then to create here the handle which will come on right side, taking one T-pin, cutting the end and bended it like S shape and just connecting one small 1/4 strip 5 mm tight coil with this, and it will work like the rotating handle. So our horn is completely done, and on back side of horn I have attached one cone shape which is made using one strip of white color in 5 mm. Again you can use any color strip, and I will color it later using brown acrylic. Then taking back my base shape, and it's time to color everything using brown acrylic color to give it wooden look. So this is done. Now I am just decorating it little bit using gold acrylic marker and white marker and creating some patterns. Then taking here the handle which we have created, I have colored the end of the knob using gold acrylic paint, just connecting it on right side like this, and taking one more T-pin and connecting it as the key. Then taking here cardboard piece which is having 3.5 cm diameter, I have just created one hole in the center and sticking one piece of toothpick inside this, and I have colored it in gold acrylic color which will work like the disc or the rotating table in the bottom on which we will put our record. So using the toothpick, you can rotate the record easily. Like this. Then it's time to stick the horn with the base. So just adding glue on the cone shape and connecting it inside the previous cone. Hold it for a few minutes. And this is completely dried. Now it's time to varnish everything to make it shiny, to make it more sturdy. So here I am using glossy varnish by Craft Color. You can use any paper varnish of your choice. I am applying 2 to 3 coats to give it nice shine. And our beautiful paper gramophone is completely ready. It's looking absolutely stunning. You can just rotate the disc like this very easily. And I am loving the outcome so much. Now if you wish, you can decorate it little more in the corners using some quilling flowers. But I think it is looking nice as it is. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.